Hey everybody, this is Mark from buyheatshrink.com again, showing you today how to install our heat shrink tape. So first thing I'm going to do is cut a little strip, and then I'm going to take a little bit of Scotch tape here, put it on here so we have something to hold it onto, and then basically I'm just going to spiral it around, leaving a little bit of an overlap. And just pull it nice and tight. Doesn't have to be too tight because the heat shrink it's going to shrink down. But now, so in order to hold this here, I'm going to take a regular cable tie and put it on here. And then grab it like that, and then I'm going to go with a heat gun and heat it up. Just going in a circular motion here, starting from the back end and working my way all the way over to the front end. And we are done. So at the end, just slide the cable tie off here, cut it off, and we're done.